How to log in to Hancock Whitney online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch any web browser on your mobile phone or PC. Then go to the search bar and search for Hancock Whitney Bank and just tap on the first link which is on top. This is the official website of the bank. Let's wait for some time. So once you are on the website, just scroll down a bit below and you can see Login Portal. Now over here, you have to select an account type for which you are about to log in to. Tap on it. Now you can see various options here. You can choose any of it. For now, I'm going to tap on Personal Online Banking. Then you have to enter your username here. Okay. Now accordingly, you have to enter your password as well. Then if you tap on View Your Account, you will successfully be logged in to your Hancock Whitney Bank account. Now, if you are new here, you can just tap on Enroll Now and create a new account for yourself. Now, in case if you forgot your user details or you have problem logging in, just tap on Can't Log In right here. Wait for a while. Okay, here we go. Now you will see two of the given options. Either you select on Forgot Password or you can select on Locked Account in case the bank has locked you from accessing your account. Just select one of the options and tap on Continue. Now once you are on this page, you have to enter your username, then confirm your username, then select any of these options where you want to receive a security code to. So it's up to you which of these options you want to choose. For now, I'm just going to tap on Send a verification link to your email. So don't forget to check your text message, your phone call or your email. At last, just tap on Send verification link and then you'll be able to recover your account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.